Hey everyone, Mark Houlihan here with Mustang Monthly and the Mustang 360 Network. We are going like gangbusters on our 1995 liter Mustang Week to Wicked project, and we're almost ready to drop our Ford Performance crate engine down on the mounts. Speaking of mounts, we're going to be using these Energy Suspension mounts right here to my right, and we brought Kyle Martin in from Energy Suspension. He's their marketing manager. Tell us a little bit more about those mounts and the rest of their line that we're going to be using on the car. Kyle, thanks for coming out.
My pleasure.
Appreciate supporting the project. Tell us a little bit about the mounts that we're going to be using and this sea of red we've got in front of us.
Absolutely. So we brought you our HyperFlex Performance polyurethane motor and transmission mounts. Those are going to retain the same stock height, direct OE replacement, and offer you all the benefits of polyurethane versus rubber, resistant to oils, greases, and road contaminants, won't crack and dry out, and offers you a good mix of drivability and trackability.
So besides our engine and trans mounts we're going to be installing shortly, we've got a whole table full of red bushings here. I recognize a few pieces like the front and rear spring isolators, the sway bar end links, and the rack bushings. What else do we have here?
Yeah, we also have our front control arms, rear control arm bushings, transmission cross member bushings, and our famous grease.
All right. That is so hard to get off your hands when you're done, but is a very necessary part of the installation if you don't want any squeaks. Right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. So obviously this is a Ford kit for our 5-liter Fox Mustang. I know you've got bushings for classic Mustangs all the way up to the new cars. What other markets do you serve?
We have more years, makes, and models than any other manufacturer out there. We've got everything from sport compact, truck, and SUV, all the way to power sports components.
Wow. So if it's in their driveway, more than likely you got a bushing for it.
Absolutely.
All right. So speaking of which, if they're going to shop for some Energy Suspension product, where are they going to find it?
Find everything here, as well as more information on our new products at energysuspension.com.
Well, great. Thanks, Kyle. We've got a few pieces here that we need to get installed, so we need to get started. Let's head out.
Awesome. Let's do it.